TiESFONG M10max 2K 2160p-cam 4CH for 360 car camera. ALL safety conditions inside and outside the car are guaranteed with 4-channel record .24H radar parking monitoring, built-in Wi-Fi G sensor, super IR night vision, WDR function, loop recording. 2K M10max is a 3-channel all-in-one recorder, which supports adding a rear camera to form a 4-lens dashcam. The M10 4-channel of TiESFONG is the first in the industry to share a chip for 4 lenses to operate stably. The 2K M10max is an upgrade to the resolution of the main cam, front cam, from the M10. 4-channel recording at the same time. The resolution of 2K Max 4-channel can reach 2K 1440p plus 3 1080p when it recording at the same time. And all 4-channel can be displayed on the mainframe at the same time. Multiple angle camera provides more comprehensive security for your car. Superior night vision. The 2K M10max 4-channel offer the latest built-in highly sensitive night vision image sensor, which will automatically compensates for light dark spots and balances exposure, makes all scene details are recorded vividly. Even in low night conditions, it capture clearer videos and photos in your driving or parking moment. Rotatable lenses and 140 degrees wide angle. All 4-channel can rotate back and front, left and right, and adjust other recording angles at will by yourself. And all 4-channel are for 140 wide angle lens. The 2K M10max 4-channel dashcam can capture more angles and provide more evidence at critical moments. 24H radar sensing parking monitoring. The 24-hour radar sensor parking monitoring mode will save a lot of power than the mode that has been recording for 24 hours after the ignition is turned off. LOW voltage protection. The hardwire kit has low voltage protection. When the battery is lower than 11.8 V, the dash cam will automatically power off and the battery will not be used anymore. Built-in GPS optional. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. G sensor and loop recording. When the memory card reaches its maximum capacity, the oldest unlocked footage will be overwritten automatically to ensure infinite loop recording. Supports a half 3 minutes loop recording in class 10 or higher. TF card up to 256 GB. The 2K M10max 4-channel dashcam will automatically lock the current recording video as proof of an incident once the built-in G sensor detects a collision. Built-in Wi-Fi. Use the TiESFONG app to view and manage dash cam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. Connect via Wi-Fi and download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone. And then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Supercapacitor. Equipped with supercapacitor instead of traditional lithium battery, which features a longer lifespan and extreme temperature resistance, and also can adapt well to the weather in many countries.